and we use mainly local, organic where possible. We've changed this whole district's ability to get regenerative great ingredients from good farms at under $10 US. Kin has many meanings. Actually, the deepest meaning and where it came from was the Japanese for kumquat, which is kin-can. We wanted a word that could become a verb. So what are we going to do today? Let's kin. What do you feel like? I feel like kin. Thinking along the Uber lines, we needed something that could become in itself the meaning of the action. If you were flying through Kin, the first thing that would hit you is it feels like something new. There are over 300 seats. There is a massive kitchen and we're producing food from 50 different brands. You simply open our app, sit in any of these seats and order, and within 7 minutes that freshly cooked food is available. You would see certain windows with food being cooked in front of you, so you see beautiful open kitchens, nothing to hide. In fact, this is our model. We've brought a cloud kitchen, we've put it in the building and we've opened it for everyone to see. Our mission statement is to create technologies to change the way we eat. Technology can increase revenue, reduce costs in multiple ways. And the problem with our industry is everyone would like to do things better. Everybody would like to not use plastic packaging or not use industrial food, but the reality is it always costs more. So the only way you can make change is to free up budget. So technology comes into play. So the journey here is design where no human takes any order. That's already saving money. Everything is consolidated in production, so we don't have lots of small kitchens. That is saving money. Everything is sitting in data. So now we understand the cook time of every single item. We know the prep time. We know how much time, space, energy, and cost to every dish in data form. So now we can really understand the true cost of the item rather than the simple cost. So once we have that, we also then take it to the consumer. We understand consumer purchasing behavior. We're able to send you a notification for something you might like. So it's about increasing relevance, increasing targeting, but in a way that makes sense. When you put this whole thing together, that's how we create the data to create systemic change. We're now doing a Series A. The goal is to raise $10 million to do the next phase of growth. What we are building now is another 10 small kitchens through Hong Kong so that we can provide access to the top 10 dishes from here, which we've tested with the market, in every single area of CBDs of Hong Kong, be it Admiralty, Causeway Bay, Central, Sai Pun, TST East, and so on and so on and so on. And we want to rapidly roll that out through the course of next year, being able to produce from our large cloud kitchen into like little mini cloud kitchens throughout the city. Hong Kong helps you as an entrepreneur because they make the entrepreneurial journey very easy. As in, you can set up companies and accounts and find a vibrant community for investment. In terms of Hong Kong as a city, as an entrepreneurial environment, is one that is, I think, quite well designed for entrepreneurs. I think that actually what happens in Greater Bay is actually inspiring what's happening in Hong Kong. And as we become one, and as this becomes part of the Greater Bay ecosystem, I think that there is learning that will grow from that, and there is incredible innovation taking place just next door. And I very much am excited about the future of Hong Kong, seeing it as the capital of the Greater Bay. And I embrace that wholeheartedly. And I think that we'll see more and more support from both Hong Kong, which also means from the wider Chinese ecosystem.